Hello, welcome back to our channel, the Chima Dedicated Video channel, friends. So I want to show you, look at this design. When you see something like this, it might thrill you. Wow, this is good. I wish I would have this. That is what you might be saying. So in this video, I want to show you how you can redesign something like this. Maybe putting your own, as you're having unique in all here, you're putting something that is related to your own, still having something close to this, using two particular tools. And they are all AI tools. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. It's a very short video. Let's quickly go now. Let me show you what to do. So one of those first tools we are going to use in doing this is ChatGPT. You're supposed to have this. If you don't have it, please install from the Play Store, whatever store, whether you are using Android or iPhone, anyone, just install and sign up. Make sure you have an account with it. Don't use it as just a guest. Have an account. And once you do that, please, what you have to do here, once you log in here, look at this. You are going to look at this image icon. Look at this image icon here. You are seeing here. Look at it. This is an icon that shows image down here, or you have where they said create image. You can click any of them, but that's not actually what we're creating now. We're not creating image per se, but we want to get a prompt. Now, so click on that icon here to download an image. They say from photos. So let's use photos. We want to download photos. Now, I will show you that particular. I will search through my gallery to get that particular graphic, that image I want to redesign to my own text. I want to customize it. Now, okay, let's assume, okay, this is the one, maybe this. Now I've clicked it and now add. Having added it now, the next thing I will do, I want to ask ChatGPT a question. And what am I asking it? I'm asking this ChatGPT to give me a prompt or how the above image was made. I say, give me a prompt on how the above image was designed or created or made. That's what I'm asking ChatGPT. Just watch. ChatGPT has told me, say that the design brief is a 3D wall branding and decor. Objective, creating a visually striking 3D wall design and all that. Specification, typography, the word unique should be in bold, cursive, right? You're seeing it, see all the things the system wrote for me. Now, when I have this, look up, you don't just go and copy everything. But now, I have this. See what I'm going to do. I'm going to press out on this and copy. When I copy it, I need to make some changes because remember the system here is saying the word unique should be. But I just not unique I want to put there. I want to put something else. So I will go to the edit this. So make sure that what I'm going to have there is what I want to be there, not unique anymore. Now I go to my WhatsApp. I just want to use, you can use WhatsApp, you can use anywhere, you know, you have you want to do something for yourself. I now want to use one of my page, a group on WhatsApp where I normally paste personal information. So I go here, yes. Now I paste this because I want to edit it. I want to edit it. It's okay. Okay. I remove this. I don't need this. I don't need this. But I believe every other thing there, I need it. Professional. Okay. I need every other thing there. Now, wall finish, lighting and shadows. It's okay. The only thing I want to change here now is, okay, is that particular, the word in all should have a smaller. Okay, let me just put something like Sabes Digital. That's unique. Sabes. Let me put Sabes there, and this we are having, or let me put it digitals. Okay. Specifications. Okay. Now design brief. This is exactly now. Let me remove the one up here where they say here is the design whatever, because that's not, I don't need it. Now I've got what I'm looking for, so I'm going to copy this. I want to highlight all and copy, select all and copy. Now, having done this, see what I'm going to do now. I go over to my Chrome browser. To, I want to open up, so I click on this plus sign because I want to type sign. I want to search for another AI tool, and that is under search. I'm looking for this Meta AI, META. So this is the one I'm looking for. When you search for Meta AI, you're going to see a lot of stuff, but make sure you don't make mistake. This one is meta.com. That's not what we're looking for. We're looking at www.meta.ai. So you click on it. When you click on it, just watch. The system will now say where you see ask Meta anything. Now let me tell you what will happen. Once you do this, okay, let me paste it first. Because this is what I want to ask Meta. I want it to design something like this. So I click on this arrow up here. Now, but Meta will ask me to, because Meta is owned by Facebook. Mark Zuckerberg, so he's the one still owning Instagram, Facebook, and you see all these things on, Facebook and Instagram. So the same want you, where do you want us to take through? Is it through Facebook or Instagram? So you want to choose one of these things. Even if you choose the one continue without logging in, the system will stay before you finally design your work. You'll still log in. So I choose to go through. Continue with Facebook. Now, once I get through these points, now the system will definitely require me to log in and all that stuff if I'm not yet logging with this phone. But if you are logging, it's already up. You can see it, log in and all that. It's going to take sometimes even to do this, but then go ahead to do it. So I'm going to log in now and see. We'll continue the process. So do that for yourself. At this point, once you log in and all that, you get fully back because the system wants you to be fully on either on Facebook or Instagram. Once you do that, then you are back to exactly where you started. So you can paste this and pay attention when you are pasting this. All those things you see that feed everywhere. Give the system an instruction. Let the instruction begin with a verb, like say create, design. So whatever you're typing and you discover that, the ChatGPT have already produced the prompt, but when you see it, it's starting with something else. So you can delete something they did. That's what the essence of taking to your WhatsApp to do some editing. So make it be a kind of instruction. Do this. So it must be a verb, design, create. So once you do that, you can see what he has given me. He was able to give me some stuff like this. Look at this one, for instance. Wow, is this not fine? Are you not seeing this? It's best digitals. Look at how wonderful this is. This is so cool. This is so cool. This is so cool. I'm telling you. Can you imagine it? So I can pick from any of this. So fine, so wonderful. Are you getting this? You see how I've been able to just look at this. Yes, when you see something like this, this is great. This is fine. How do I do this? So instead of taking time, I say, okay, let me meet a graphic designer to do this for me. For the fact you've seen this design, so you can go online now, see fantastic quality designs, download them, follow this process, and convert it to your own personal use in everything. And now, think about it. You can use this one to make money because by the time you start posting this stuff on your whatever pages and say, I can do this. Somebody say, you mean you can do this? Yes, you collect money. Once AI helps you to generate this, with the person's information, all you need to now go to printers because when you have calculated everything, you just go there, they print it. If the person wants it as something handy, you can touch, physical product, you do that. If it's still online, you just send and collect your money. So this is how people can make crazy money. So as it stands now, I can protect you. Do you want something like this for your business? Wow. Do you see how it works? So that's exactly what we're talking about. So you can always do this, and this is the power of AI. That's fantastic. So if you are new to this channel, please, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. You're going to see something like this often and on in this channel. We do a lot of tutorials here, so please follow us, subscribe, and share this video. Help us to grow together so that we can serve you. I want to stop at this point. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.